We are learning to use counting patterns to help us read and write the numbers that come next. This is lesson 2-4. All right, so let's start from 0. Remember 0, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the pattern was repeated again, but the 9 returns to a 0, and then we add 1 10. Then pattern continues. So now you will have 1, 1, right? So the 1 stays, and then you have the 1 that comes from the top. So you have 1, 1, which is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Again, the pattern is going to repeat. This 9 is going to return back here and turn into a 0. When that happens, you have to add one more 10 to the tens place. So instead of 10, it will be now 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And again, we're going to return back to the 0, but this time we're going to add one more 10. So now after 29, we have 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay? Now, let's look at this question here. It says 42. I need to find the other 3 missing numbers. So let's do a simple counting. 42. The next number that will come after 42 is 43, 44, and 45. Okay, let's try this one. 58. What comes after 58? We're going to continue the pattern. So the 5 stays the same. 8 is going to change to a 9. So 59. Now, here, remember, we've reached a 9. It's a specific thing that needs to happen. The 9 needs to go to a 0, and we have to add one more to the 10. So it's going to be 0, and the 5 is going to turn to a 6. So the answer is 60. So 58, 59, 60, 61. Let's try this one here. This is the number 77. We're going to count forward. 78. 79. Now again, remember, we've reached the end of the pattern. You have to repeat the pattern again. So this 9 is going to turn to a 0, and the 7 is going to go up by 110. So it will be 8 and 0, which is 80. Okay? All right, let's try this problem of the day question. It says, Miss V asked Ali, Sarah, and Rashid to write the next 3 numbers that comes after 97. Which student is correct? Ali said, it's 97, 98, 100, 101. Sarah said, no, that's not correct. It's supposed to be 98, 99, 100. Rashid said, no, I don't think that's correct either. I think it's 100, 101, 102. Which person do you think is correct? What number comes after 97? If you said Sarah, you are correct because 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay? Now, this is in your student practice book, page 7 and 8. Okay? It looks like this. Please, you can do your homework and then come back and check the answers. If you've already completed it, then you can just simply check the answers with me now. Let's do the homework check now. So question number 1, it says count what number comes next. So here we have 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Question 2, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Question 3, you have 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. Explain how you know. How do we know the pattern? The ones go up by 1 to 9, then start at 0 again. Question 4, a 57, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. Explain how you know that that's the pattern. How do you go from 59 to 60? Remember, the pattern repeats. The 9 turns to a 0. The 5 is added one more to it, so it becomes 60. The 10s go up by 1 when the 1s start again at 0. Question 5. Count from 84 to 95 by 1s. What number comes after 95? So what's after 95? 96. Count from 106 to 119 by ones. What number comes next after 119? 120. Oops, I should have put that 0. A second. That 0 should have been, there we go. It's much better. So it is 120. All right, the next question says, Jewel is counting by ones. She says 111 comes after 110. How do you respond to Jewel? Yeah, she's right, because 110, the next number is 111. Think about counting patterns. How will the tens and ones change after 89? After 89, the tens change to 9 and the ones go back to 0. The number is 90. Okay? That's it, boys and girls. I wish you a lovely